Ready-to-run RC cars are faster, smarter, and more exciting than ever in 2025. Thanks to major advances in performance, technology, and durability, today's RTR models deliver incredible speed and precision straight out of the box. Whether you're an experienced RC enthusiast or just getting started, these machines offer thrilling acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and rugged construction built to dominate both on-road tracks and off-road adventures. This year's best RC cars feature powerful brushless motor systems, high-performance LiPo batteries, advanced suspension setups, and race-inspired engineering that push performance to new heights. Best of all, they're fully assembled and ready to hit the ground running the moment you open the box. In today's countdown, we're showcasing the 15 best fast RTR RC cars of 2025. From lightning-fast speed machines to all-terrain beasts, these are the most powerful, innovative, and exciting ready-to-run RC cars available right now. Stay tuned as we reveal the models that are setting new standards in the RC world and delivering adrenaline-pumping action like never before. Number 15, the Arrma TYPHON Mega 665 4x4 is a durable and beginner-friendly RC buggy engineered to provide exciting off-road performance while maintaining ease of use and reliability. Built on Arrma's proven four-wheel drive platform, the buggy delivers excellent traction and stability across dirt, gravel, grass, and mixed terrain. Its efficient power system provides strong acceleration and smooth control, making it suitable for new hobbyists while still offering enough performance to satisfy experienced drivers. The low-profile buggy design enhances handling and cornering capability, while oil-filled shocks help absorb impacts and maintain composure over rough surfaces. Reinforced chassis components contribute to durability and long-term reliability, allowing the vehicle to withstand demanding use. Combining approachable performance, rugged construction, and versatile handling characteristics, the TYPHON Mega 665 4x4 serves as an excellent entry point into the world of high-quality RC off-road driving. Number 14, the Traxxas Ultimate Raptor R is a premium RC desert truck inspired by the high-performance Ford Raptor R, combining scale realism with advanced off-road capability. Built on a sophisticated four-wheel drive platform, the vehicle delivers exceptional handling, durability, and performance across a wide variety of terrains. Its powerful brushless drivetrain provides rapid acceleration and impressive speed, while long-travel suspension components help absorb rough terrain and maintain control. Detailed bodywork accurately captures the aggressive styling of the full-size truck, enhancing realism and visual appeal. Reinforced drivetrain components and durable chassis construction ensure reliable operation during demanding driving sessions. Combining authentic styling, premium features, and outstanding off-road performance, the Ultimate Raptor R offers a highly rewarding RC driving experience. Number 13, the LOSI Micro T is a compact RC truck that delivers impressive performance and entertainment despite its incredibly small size. Designed for convenient indoor and outdoor driving, the vehicle combines agility, responsiveness, and durability in a highly portable package. Its lightweight chassis and efficient power system provide quick acceleration and nimble handling, making it ideal for tight spaces and improvised racing environments. Durable suspension components help absorb bumps and maintain stability during spirited driving. Modern electronics provide reliable control and consistent performance, while the compact design allows users to transport and enjoy the vehicle almost anywhere. Combining convenience, fun, and surprisingly capable performance, the LOSI Micro T demonstrates that exciting RC experiences can come in very small packages. Number 12, the Traxxas Pro Scale SYNCRO is a highly detailed RC vehicle inspired by full-size off-road desert machines built for high-speed dune and desert driving. Designed with scale realism in mind, the vehicle features an authentic appearance complemented by advanced performance engineering. Its powerful brushless drivetrain delivers exceptional acceleration and speed, while the long-travel suspension system is engineered to absorb rough terrain and large impacts. The chassis provides excellent stability at high speeds, helping drivers maintain control across challenging surfaces. Durable construction ensures reliability during aggressive driving sessions, while the detailed bodywork enhances realism and visual appeal. Combining realistic styling, powerful performance, and exceptional off-road capability, the Pro Scale SYNCRO offers an immersive and exciting desert racing experience. Number 11, the Team Coralie Punisher 4 is a large-scale RC monster truck designed for extreme off-road action and high-speed excitement. Engineered with a robust chassis and reinforced components, the truck is built to handle aggressive driving, large jumps, and rough terrain. Its powerful brushless system generates impressive acceleration and speed, while the advanced suspension system helps maintain stability and control over challenging surfaces. Large off-road tires provide excellent grip and traction, allowing the vehicle to confidently tackle dirt, grass, gravel, and uneven terrain. Durable drivetrain components contribute to long-term reliability even under demanding conditions. Combining impressive size, substantial power, and rugged engineering, the Punisher 4 delivers a thrilling RC experience for enthusiasts who enjoy high-performance. Number 10. The Team Corally KAGAMA Limited Edition is a high-performance RC monster truck created for enthusiasts seeking premium features, exceptional durability, and powerful off-road capability. Built around a reinforced platform, the truck incorporates upgraded components designed to handle demanding driving conditions and high-powered performance. Its brushless motor system delivers rapid acceleration and impressive top speeds, while the advanced drivetrain ensures efficient power delivery to all four wheels. Large tires and long travel suspension provide excellent traction and shock absorption, allowing the vehicle to tackle rough terrain with confidence. The limited edition configuration includes premium design elements that enhance both appearance and performance. Combining power, durability, and exclusivity, the KAGAMA Limited Edition stands out as a serious machine for RC enthusiasts who demand high-level performance. Number 9. The LOSI 22S Sprint CAR brings the excitement of dirt oval racing into the world of radio-controlled vehicles with impressive realism and competitive performance. Inspired by full-scale sprint cars, the vehicle features a highly detailed body design and specialized chassis layout optimized for oval track handling. Its powerful electric system delivers strong acceleration and responsive throttle control, while the carefully engineered suspension provides excellent cornering capability on dirt surfaces. Adjustable components allow enthusiasts to fine-tune performance characteristics to suit different track conditions and driving styles. Durable construction ensures the vehicle can withstand the demands of competitive racing and repeated use. Combining authentic appearance, responsive handling, and race-inspired engineering, the LOSI 22S Sprint CAR offers an immersive experience for fans of sprint cars. Number 8. The Arrma TYPHON 223 SBLX is a versatile RC buggy designed to offer a balance of speed, durability, and controllability for drivers at various experience levels. Powered by a capable brushless system, the buggy delivers strong acceleration and responsive performance while allowing users to gradually unlock higher performance levels as their confidence grows. The low-profile buggy design contributes to excellent handling and stability, especially during high-speed cornering. Its durable chassis and reinforced drivetrain are engineered to withstand demanding off-road conditions, while adjustable suspension components help optimize performance on different surfaces. Large off-road tires provide strong traction and consistent control across dirt, gravel, and mixed terrain. Combining user-friendly operation, brushless performance, and rugged construction, the TYPHON 223 SBLX offers an engaging and versatile driving experience. Number 7. The Arrma KRATON 6 EXB RTR is a premium RC monster truck built for extreme performance, aggressive bashing, and serious off-road capability. Designed around Arrma's EXB platform, the truck incorporates reinforced components, upgraded materials, and heavy-duty engineering intended to withstand demanding driving conditions. Its powerful brushless system delivers remarkable acceleration and impressive top speeds, while the advanced four-wheel drive drivetrain ensures excellent traction across various surfaces. Long travel suspension and large oil-filled shocks help absorb massive jumps and rough terrain impacts with confidence. The truck's wide stance enhances stability at speed, while durable drivetrain components provide exceptional reliability. Combining extreme power, premium construction, and outstanding off-road performance, the KRATON 6S EXB RTR has become a favorite among enthusiasts seeking maximum RC excitement. Number 6. The Traxxas Jato 4x4 VXL is a powerful high-speed RC truck engineered for drivers who demand exceptional acceleration, advanced handling, and impressive durability. Equipped with Traxxas Valinian brushless power system, the vehicle delivers explosive performance while maintaining efficiency and reliability. Its advanced four-wheel drive platform provides outstanding traction on multiple surfaces, allowing the truck to accelerate aggressively while maintaining control. A low center of gravity chassis improves stability during high-speed driving and sharp cornering, while long travel suspension helps absorb rough terrain and jump landings. Heavy-duty drivetrain components are designed to handle the power generated by the brushless system, ensuring dependable operation under demanding conditions. Combining speed, precision, and rugged construction, the Jato 4x4 VXL stands among the most exciting performance-focused RC trucks available. Number 5. The Team Corolli SYNCRO is a versatile RC vehicle designed to provide a balanced combination of speed, durability, and precise handling. Engineered with modern suspension geometry and a robust chassis platform, the vehicle performs confidently across a variety of terrains and driving conditions. Its efficient power system delivers smooth acceleration and responsive control, allowing drivers to enjoy both recreational driving and more competitive style performance. Durable drivetrain components help ensure long-term reliability, while adjustable suspension settings allow enthusiasts to fine-tune handling characteristics to suit their preferences. The lightweight yet strong construction contributes to improved agility and stability during high-speed operation. Designed with attention to both performance and durability, the SYNCRO offers a rewarding driving experience that appeals to beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts alike. Number 4. The Traxxas Jato 4x4 BL2s is a high-performance stadium truck designed to offer exciting speed, excellent durability, and user-friendly handling characteristics. Equipped with a brushless power system, the truck delivers quick acceleration and efficient performance while maintaining reliability during extended driving sessions. Its four-wheel drive platform provides excellent traction across various surfaces, helping drivers maintain control during aggressive cornering and acceleration. The low-slung chassis design enhances stability at higher speeds, while long-travel suspension components help absorb rough terrain and landings from jumps. Durable drivetrain components are engineered for demanding use, making the truck capable of handling intense off-road driving conditions. The aerodynamic body design contributes to both visual appeal and improved performance. Combining modern brushless technology, responsive handling, and rugged construction, the Jato 4x4 BL2s delivers an engaging RC experience for drivers of all skill levels. Number 3. The Traxxas BIGFOOT 4x4 brings the legendary monster truck name to life in radio-controlled form, combining iconic styling with modern off-road performance. Built on a durable four-wheel drive platform, the truck is designed to tackle rough terrain while maintaining excellent stability and control. Its powerful electric system delivers strong acceleration and responsive throttle performance, making it suitable for both casual driving and more aggressive off-road action. Long travel suspension and oil-filled shocks help absorb bumps, jumps, and uneven surfaces, improving handling and durability. The officially inspired Bigfoot body design captures the appearance of the famous monster truck while adding visual excitement to every run. Tough construction throughout the chassis and drivetrain allows the vehicle to withstand challenging conditions and repeated impacts. Combining classic monster truck heritage with modern RC engineering, the Traxxas BIGFOOT 4x4 provides an entertaining and durable off-road driving experience. Number 1. The Arrma BIG ROCK 223 SBLX is a rugged RC monster truck designed to deliver impressive speed, durability, and all-terrain performance for both new and experienced hobbyists. Built around Arrma's proven 4x4 platform, the truck features a powerful brushless motor system that provides strong acceleration and excellent top-end performance across dirt, gravel, grass, and pavement. Its adjustable power capabilities allow drivers to gradually increase performance as their skills improve, making it an ideal platform for learning and progression. Heavy-duty suspension components help absorb impacts during jumps and rough terrain driving, while oil-filled shocks contribute to stable handling and improved control. The aggressive truck body and oversized tires provide excellent traction and a commanding appearance. Durable drivetrain components are engineered to withstand demanding use, ensuring long-term reliability. Combining speed, versatility, and robust construction, the Big ROCK 223 SBLX offers an exciting driving experience suitable for a wide range of off-road adventures.